What's going on, everybody? Pokeball here. Today we're going to be opening up the brand new Arcanine Break Evolution box. The time has finally come. Mine finally arrived. There was a little bit of issue with receiving the shipment. I had placed an order for 3 because they were on Amazon for $18 and I wasn't about to pass up that good of a deal. I bought 3 and when the shipment finally came in, the box only had 1. So I was a little fumed, reached out to the seller, and he took care of everything. He was super nice about it. And he sent me an additional 2 boxes that I ordered and then a couple free booster packs for the hassle. So I thought that was pretty cool that everything was taken care of. And I do have 1 box to open. I was going to do a multi-box video opening up 2 of these, but I am fine with just the 1 until the other boxes arrive. But we have it. As you can see, it comes with the Jumbo Arcanine break card, and then you get the new Mandibuzz break, Arcanine, and the Crobat break. And this box is actually pretty big, so I would show you guys the entire back. Maybe I can tilt the camera just a little, so feel free to pause and have a read, but I'm going to go ahead, get this thing opened up and everything taken out, and I will see you guys in just a sec. So we've got everything out of the box, and I have in front of me the Jumbo brand new Arcanine break. So it's nice to see these break cards in Jumbo form. You can really see all the work that goes into the holo pattern and the work into the card art. This is absolutely love this card. It has 160 HP and Turbo Flame for 1 fire and 1 colorless energy, does 80 damage, and it says attach 2 basic energy cards from your discard pile to one of your benched Pokemon. So not bad. We will set that in the back. And then we have our new promo cards. We have the Mandibuzz break, we have the Crobat break, and then we have the standard size Arcanine break. So we will set all these in the back. And from what I've been seeing on everybody else's videos, when they open these break box, they tend to get break cards. So maybe we'll have that luck. I have no problem pulling break cards, but one thing I did notice when I opened this box, we did get all the packs, but there was no code in the box. So that was a little strange, I thought. I don't think it was tampered with in any way. I just think it was mispackaged. That does happen. I know Jordan Japan just opened up one of the new Magearna and Volcanion collection boxes, and he actually got an additional booster pack in one of his boxes. So it does happen, but we're going to kick things off with evolutions. So feel free to snag a code, and it makes it easier doing that way. That way anybody who is running computer scans to get the codes can actually, they have to type it in order to get it. So we have a Growlithe, Water Energy, Magnemite, Charmander, Coughing, Machoke, Double Colorless Energy. We have a Reverse Holo Ponyta, and a Arcanine is our first rare. So Arcanine out of an Arcanine box. So moving on to Steam Siege. So we have a Litleo, Rufflet, Fungus, Poniard, Joltik, Steelix Spirit Link, Flaffy, Captivating Pokepuff. We have a Reverse Holo or Maldo, which is a rare, and our actual rare is a Volcarona regular rare dual type. So not bad. We did get the Reverse Holo rare out of that pack. And Steam Siege is another set that, like many, I am still trying to complete. Moving on to Breakpoint. Yeah, I'm still in the process of completing Breakpoint, Breakthrough, and Steam Siege. Evolutions, I am almost done with. Go ahead and take that code. I'm nearly done with Evolutions. I believe I have all the Ultra Rares. Now I just need to finish the Reverse Holos to complete the Master Set. So we have a Shelter, Growlithe, Esper, we have a Psyduck, Mawile, Sizor Spirit Link, Gyarados Spirit Link, Reverse Holo is a potion, and our rare is a Palkia EX. There we go. This is a card I have already pulled, but I will add another one to the collection. No problem pulling ultra rares. Very nice. So we will move on to Steam Siege. Definitely like that EX card. But man, that Pearl Hurricane attack that it has takes so much energy to use. So go ahead and take that code. Yeah, it takes 4 water energy to use that attack, which kind of crazy. So we have a Clink, Tangela, Krogunk, Shellos, Mankey, Klefki, Lampent, Gardevoir Spirit Link, Reverse Holo Braviary, and our rare is a Clean Clang Holo. So there we go. So 2 for 2 on holo or better pulls. Final pack, Evolutions. That Clean Clang is a little hard to see the holo. That holo is kind of one of those darker types that is more translucent in the card, and it's very hard to tell that it's holo without really getting a decent light up to it. So final pack, we have a Diglett, Poliwag, Sandshrew, Voltorb, Magnemite, Slowbro, Revive, Poliwhirl, Reverse Holo Weedle, and our final rare in this Arcanine box is an Electrode Regular Rare. So not too bad at all. Go ahead and move these stacks out of the way, do a quick recap of everything that we pulled, all the cards. So out of the Steam Siege, we did get the Clean Clang Holo, and like I was saying, if you look at it straight on, it is hard to tell that it's holo. So if you just hold it right in the light, you can see that it does have some shine to it. Then we pulled out of Breakpoint the Palkia EX. I'm very stoked to get this card. Do love the artwork on this card. And then we have our promos. We have the Arcanine Break card. We have the Crobat Break. And then the Mandibuzz Break card. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this opening. And if you did, make sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these new break cards. I absolutely love these new break cards. I love that they featured Arcanine on a break box. By far one of my favorite break cards. Even if it is a promo, I do love this break card. Big fan of Arcanine. So leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the new break cards. Make sure to share and feel free to subscribe if you are new to the channel and you do enjoy this content. I bring new content, new videos every day, every other day. I kind of have a random upload system. I open at random times and I am never on time to open product, but that's just kind of my personality when it comes to opening. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like always, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon.